Right, it's an only the course so what the Carabao Cup. Chelsea just lose against Newcastle. So now no, and the repeat of the edition last weekend. No, but I'm Fahadi watching now. Drawn up to Tottenham Hotspur in Manchester and in the last 8. That is the quarter final. Arsenal, the Crystal Palace, now face Newcastle, and the Brentford, Nebebo, Southampton, and then Liverpool, and so the Bonnie and Basso, 16th December, Motu Muho Corona. But how much you see ebe basso shane so mame. Now in quest say give it to me aje the Wafu Zombie trophy no amfa Ghana na 20 team no eba na we no na Nigeria and ache Ghana ball ye the come you know me team back but ya qualify for the AFCON and on the most important thing. Yenko piemu e wo Togo hese sa final no esikoye. Eti eno ho asama Ghana Black Satellites trophy no atiafa so but you heard e be koso e wo AFCON enti eno ho asama ko Desmond Affair dem rante na Badwam pa one penny omo now ye fi on e currency and for frustrating so mame say a golden eba mixture and boatema eba mixture kan ho ne yede nsam no brewo but can catch you so libi do no be sore gina na so a boatema eba mixture enye se be enfiem yinu ni umfili hwiwo mu dabi Jina na so wo hwa so ho yologolegi kakra o ye nipa ti let your body do you logolegi small then nyese kodi boni but normal so hwa ho be logolegi be ma so to le bia be so anopa na wa tworo wan be so anopa ntworo wan 3 months continuous on tworo wan da hey you are sick but e boat ma e ba mixture na betimi adi wa kagina mu ti ye no ho asema na and of course Chrome Pub Highlight Festival 2024 aye 3 days non-stop Highlight Festival from the 1st November, 2nd November, and 3rd of November. Basso den Meka Wasam the Acho. If you incorrect the course on the University of Ghana Stadium, Legon City is the first win of the season when you be a shadow. Samatema Kumasia Santi Kotoko. Yanko Legon.
It's got a height, no troubles for him at all. That was Justice Blair looking for upsets. The best of touch. Dennis Adom, a lovely idea. Finds up back. That's a lovely shot. Oh my goodness! It is in. Abet Yabua finds Legon City's opener. First time, first touch, and it goes in.
What a placement!
Lovely idea. Well, just look at it. Justice Blade fails to hit it. Picked up by Dennis Adom. Turns it in. Find a youngster. Plenty of space. Start batting in this game. Ali is looking to hit his climax. And that could be a lot of trouble for Legon City's defensive line. They need to really keep their eyes stuck onto that man in the 18 chat. And it's brought across again. Kwame Aziz got a hand to it. It says Sambaldo and is well defended from the line. He's cut away. A lot is happening. And it's court to course penalty. And Kwame Aziz has got a lot to do it. Abetamo and it's in the Porcupine Warriors are back in the capital from the penalty spot in Ghana's Premier University. But here comes Legon City into the tunnel. Oh my goodness! My goodness, it's in! It is in! Legon City's! And it's the man who lifts his hand, Joseph Hammer! Can you believe it? Unbelievable! Out of nowhere! He pushed the Royals into the lead! Crazy Saints! Crazy Saints!
Brilliant! What a goal! He used the outside of his right foot to deceive the goalkeeper. What a goal!
Oh boy, oh boy! What a game in his dynamics! That's a lovely pass, isn't it? Cut a defensive line.
Right, and so the course of the level of game and not day. So say Legon City send ya break. That's see no winning game. And before the game, our coaches they told just say they feel say this is a turnaround and we never ban Panra Anajo. We no buy our University of Ghana Stadium. Yes, I'm better to say as a saying some and so ABC Akona. Yes, on the table na see akwakoye after this last game of the week where outstanding at Barcelona. Be any Gold Stars and I still am leading with 18 points. Asante Kotoko second 15. I'm losing about still. Kenra amutimi ewini ana ka 18 but I'm familiar my third 15 media managers game on the house of folk nebo summer test also 9 with 13 points defending champions no nations tosunum 13 points Brekum Chelsea tosun sia with 13 Heart of Lions tosun son 11 and a Bechem United toso and what 10 Vision tosun Kron 10 and so Ataman tosu do 10 points House of folk tosu do back hey Has 11 is a mighty team 11 not toso or 9 points Kerala Toso Dumieno 9, Young Apostles Toso Dumiensa 9, Holy Stars Toso do 9 or 8, and Adriana Toso 15th with 7 points. Adriana Stars, what is happening? Now, Accra Lions, Legon City's dreams. To say Legon of Hiribako, winning into a Hiribako, so no wine. In fact, no 2, and when you have 3 points, I can't know 5. Abreye, and Tiano and some and so and no. You imagine so now, yeah, see, not me catch say Chrome. Pub High Life Festival. I'm on the Sound Masters Nekabomo on Friday, the 1st of November at the Hard Dance Band, the only dance band in Ghana. Now, face on Saturday, 2nd November, legendary Samuel Owusu perform live. Now, 3rd November, and quite special for full Kokunte, to the beer and then wine and Nana Numreno. One special, girls and quine. You know more tema. Yes, Sinti Maisha. Our Chrome Pub High Life Festival. And Munchre Mubia for 0244 621 097 and 055-863-9702. Chrome Pub High Life Festival. GH Herbal, Omode Golden Herbal, Mr. Ken, one of pay and some no malaria bekoy my Golden Herbal. Let's say a drew bass I went to Papa now was my man now was just Patrick Golden Herbal, Mr. Ken, one of pay and some no bro. What am I about Mr. Waist pains, constipation, male vitality, libido, female libido. You know what time it is? Yes, a Badwam Herbal Mixture. Open to the moon and I say open the door to us for 0243 173 388. 0243 173 388. GH Herbal Edamasa Samo Kutai Munema Yadin Samono Ebae. Sergio Manocho Bernard Padibu trade me producers are Yana Wakai and Nankasa Kakijwanaho. Erica Sidu Bodini. Yadia Pomodi won some bet wasso. Because what have you?